Today in this video, we will learn about how to sign up for a client in WHMCS Staff Admin panel. Log into WHMCS and then go to Add New Client section under the Clients. Now enter the client's credential like first name, last name, company name, email address, password for that account, address, city, state, postal code, phone number. You can also opt for the marketing emails option. Tick this box to send a new account information message and then click on Add Client. Therefore, now a new email will be sent and a new client's account is created successfully.